Welcome back to Cruising America. This week we're hiking to Blue Hen Falls in Cuyahoga Valley National Park. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're cruising America in our 35-foot fifth wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. When locals and visitors are asked about the best backcountry waterfall, they first mention Blue Hen Falls. Park at Boston Mill Visitor Center or Boston Trailhead. Cross Riverview Road and find the stone staircase that marks the entrance to Buckeye Trail. This statewide trail is marked by blue blazes painted on trees and posts. To protect the forest habitat, please follow these blazes and stay on the marked trail. The trail climbs and descends two steep ridges along its route to the falls. The hike begins with an immediate 200-foot climb. This is followed by a 100-foot staircase down to the ravine floor to cross a footbridge. After crossing the creek, the trail climbs a second hill and skirts around the maintenance yard at the top. Carefully cross Boston Mills Road at the top of the hill and stay alert for oncoming traffic. Follow the trail as it zigzags through the forest and down to the waterfall. Blue Hen Falls is an overhanging plate of sandstone protruding from the underlying shale with a 15-foot waterfall. When you reach the lookout point above Blue Hen Falls, you'll find a small trail that also leads down to the falls. Hiking down gets you a different perspective, and you can even hike behind the falls. The hike is 3 miles round trip from the Boston Mill Visitor Center on the rugged Buckeye Trail. The total elevation change is 580 feet. Needless to say, we recommend wearing sturdy walking shoes. If the ground is wet or icy, you might want to save this hike for a later day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below, then click the bell to receive an instant message each time we publish more videos.